In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in WhatsApp Web. If your chats look a bit too dim or you just prefer a brighter interface while working, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to switch back to light mode in just a few clicks. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WhatsApp Web. You can use any modern browser. Look for the official WhatsApp web page in the results and open it. You should see a large QR code on the screen, which means you're in the right place. Next, sign in so WhatsApp Web connects to your account. The fastest way is to scan the QR code using the WhatsApp app on your phone. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to the device linking option, and use the camera to scan the QR code on your computer screen. If your version offers the option to log in using your phone number instead, follow the on-screen prompts to complete that process. Once the scan or sign-in is done, your chats will load in the browser. Now that you're logged in, open Settings. On WhatsApp Web, you'll usually find a gear icon near the bottom of the left sidebar. In some layouts, you might see a 3 dots menu near your profile picture. Click that and choose Settings. Either way, you'll land on the main Settings panel. Inside Settings, look for Chats. In many versions, the theme setting is inside the Chats section. In newer versions, you might see theme listed right on the settings page without opening Chats. If you see Chats, click it. If you see theme directly, you can select it immediately. Click on Theme to open the appearance options. A small window will pop up with choices like light and dark, and sometimes an option to follow your system theme. To turn off dark mode, select Light. Finally, confirm the change. Click OK or Apply, depending on your version, and your interface will switch instantly to the brighter light theme. Your chat list, message panels, and menus should all update right away. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you notice the theme switching back later, check whether a Use System Theme option is enabled in the theme dialog. Turning that off and choosing Light will keep WhatsApp Web bright, regardless of your computer's settings. Also, this change affects WhatsApp Web on this browser, and it won't change the theme on your phone. Those settings are separate. And that's it. You've successfully turned off dark mode in WhatsApp Web and set the interface to light.